So, good morning to all my dear students. Welcome back in the online teaching of St. Thomas School, Maua, Standard 8, Subject English, Semester 2, Unit 4, My Point of View. So, dear students, in previous session we have completed activity number 1. Now, today let us see activity number 2. UFO stands for Unidentified Flying Object. That does unidentified mean? What does unidentified mean? Here UFO means unidentified flying object. Now what does unidentified mean? Can you identify this flying object? What do you think it is? You see in the picture very far one object is there. We are not able to find out, very difficult to find out what that object is. We can just guess. It can be rocket which is there in a space by some country, which is launched by some country. Only just we can guess. Now work with a partner or group, create an explanation for the photo. What is the object? Where did it come from? Why it is there? That also this object which is like a space is glowing. It is round like a saucer which keeps moving ahead. It seems to be flying higher than aeroplane, going very high in the sky. We can just guess it is like missile or rocket. Okay, just we can guess. Share your explanation with your classmate. Listen for new ideas of what might be happen in the photo. Write one idea you heard from the classmate that you think is interesting. Here it is given like my classmate name. You can write your classmate name, what idea he has or she has given. Had an interesting idea, that idea you can write. It is my classmate, your classmate has given. You can write his or her name, named, had an interesting idea, and she was or he was having interesting idea. It is this the idea you can explain here. Now activity number 3. Although UFO just means that a flying object has not been identified. Here UFO, unidentified flying object, we are not able to identify. Many people think of UFO as a spaceship that come from outer space. Many people will think that it has come from outer space. Maybe any other country has sent it, bringing intelligent beings, some kind of intelligent. It shows that they are intelligent. It shows that their knowledge with this space. They call their beings extraterrestrials. It is known as extraterrestrial. What do the word extraterrestrial or extra and terrestrial mean? Here extraterrestrial are made of two parts, suffix and prefix. First prefix, it is extra. It is a Latin word which means beyond or not of. And terrestrials is another part of word which means of or belonging to earth, which is belonging to earth, which is extraterrestrial. It is adjective. It is a word noun. If it is adjective, which means of or from outside the earth in its atmosphere, and if it is a noun, which means hypothetical or imaginative object. We know for sure that UFO exists because UFO simply means objects in the sky that we cannot identify. We can see that UFO, the object which are there in sky, we are not able to see. We are not sure about. We cannot identify. When we first see them, but we do not know if extraterrestrial exist. We cannot see because very far. Just extraterrestrial exit, okay, very far. People also from far distance we see, we cannot recognize. Okay, likewise the extraterrestrial existence we can see, but we cannot identify. People have many different points of view about extraterrestrial. When people will see something from far distance, Different people will give different opinion. Their opinion can be right, can be wrong. It is not sure. The 2012 DNA article over 100 UFO sighted in India mentioned several different points of view about the possible identification of UFOs. A 2012 DNA article given in that hundreds of UFO sighted in India was given several different points of view they gave. What are the different possible explanation for the UFO that are mentioned in the article? Now, what are the different opinions are given in the article? Okay, some people say it is luminous flying, some people will say that it is out from outer space, some people will say it is a non-metallic things. Okay, different opinion they gave. So till here we will see, my students, my dear students, I will give this in a PDF form. You can see PDF and you can complete. Okay, today till here we will see, remaining part we will see in next period, in next session. So here we will stop. Thank you very much. Goodbye.